Bake the walnut ripped coffee cake of your dreams. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all you coffee and walnut lovers out there. We're going to show you how to make a mouthwatering walnut ripped coffee cake. It's the perfect blend of rich coffee flavors and crunchy walnuts that will leave you craving for more. So, grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get baking. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup sour cream, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup walnuts, chopped, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon. For the glaze: 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. In a small bowl, combine the chopped walnuts, brown sugar, and ground cinnamon. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the sour cream. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing well after each addition. Pour half of the batter into the prepared cake pan, spreading it evenly. Sprinkle the walnut-cinnamon mixture evenly over the batter. Pour the remaining batter over the walnut layer, spreading it gently to cover the filling. Take a butter knife and gently swirl it through the batter to create a ripple effect. Bake in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. While the cake is cooling, prepare the glaze by whisking together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled cake. Slice and serve the delicious walnut rippled coffee cake with a cup of hot coffee or tea. And there you have it, folks. A delicious walnut ripped coffee cake that's sure to impress. Whether you enjoy it with a steaming cup of coffee or as a sweet treat on its own, this recipe is a winner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.